If you're seeing a GOG Error 401, don't worry. This usually means there's a login, browser, or network authentication issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to troubleshoot the problem step by step so you can get back into your GOG account without guessing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's handle the most common cause. Log out of your GOG account completely. If you're signed in on multiple browser tabs or even different devices, sign out everywhere you can. Then close the browser fully and log back in again. This helps refresh your authentication tokens, which are often the reason behind a 401 error. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and remove the cache and cookies specifically for GOG.com. Old or corrupted session data can interfere with your sign-in process, so clearing this out gives you a fresh start. After that, restart your browser and try signing in again. Now let's check something people often overlook: your computer's date and time. If your system clock is incorrect, even by a little bit, it can cause security tokens to fail and trigger login errors. Go to your device settings and make sure the time, date, and time zone are set correctly. If possible, turn on automatic time syncing so your system stays accurate. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to try is flushing your DNS cache. On Windows, open the command prompt and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press enter. This clears out old network records and forces your computer to resolve GOG's servers again from scratch. After that, try loading GOG one more time and see if the 401 error is gone. If it still persists, you can also try restarting your router or switching to another network temporarily, because sometimes local network issues can cause authentication problems too. The good news is that GOG Error 401 is usually not a permanent issue. In most cases, logging out and back in, clearing cookies, checking your time settings, and flushing DNS will fix it. Follow these steps in order and you should be able to get back in quickly. If this video solved the problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.